You asked, how to divide 8,313 by 4 using the long division method. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Bring down 3, making 3. 3 divided by 4 equals 0. 0 times 4 equals 0. 3 minus 0 equals 3. Bring down 1, making 31. 31 divided by 4 equals 7. 7 times 4 equals 28. 31 minus 28 equals 3. Bring down 3, making 33. 33 divided by 4 equals 8. 8 times 4 equals 32. 33 minus 32 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 2078 remainder 1.